40 seasons pass, silver lines and tales to tell. Memories of deserts hit harder than I ever felt. Moments never captured still remain in the highways of my heart and in my brain. Even when the silence goes, I'm lost and I think we're through. All these winding roads lead back to you. 'Cause we're all just pieces of the people that we need. You've got the biggest piece of me. But joy is always fleeting, nothing ever lasts, they said. But every day is new, so we can do it all again and again. When everything got dark, you lit me a flame and sat with me through smoke and no rain. Spent ages on my own and didn't think I ever cared. Now nothing is complete unless it's shared. 'Cause we're all just pieces of the people that we meet. You've got the biggest piece of me. Keep it always in my mind to stand the test of time. Threaded bonds and look-alikes, something I never thought I'd find. 'Cause we're all just pieces of the people that we meet. You've got the biggest piece of me.